I don't even want to make a video. Something I could play. You know, I'm just gonna do my career again today, not really. I wanna do Rebuild! I'm my league. I'm gonna rebuild a team. Since I know I selected the, I'm gonna make this slightly customized. What team should I could add a new team. We're gonna rebuild. Which team would be a good one? We're gonna rebuild. The 12-13 hate. Not really. Yeah, actually, we're gonna do it apparently. Replace the actual Heat now with these teams. This terrible version of the modern roster where 94, 21-year-old? Damn. Yes, even though I know the exact perfect player this team could get out of free agency. I don't get it. The hell? Leave! I'm making a video, boy. Little baby boy, little gang. I don't get this game. Hello? You will shut up now. Okay. This isn't the team I showed. There it goes. Got the perfect idea then. Getting another Mario Chalmers. Mario Chalmers to Mario Chalmers. What, number 8, the other 15. Got Wade, LeBron, Battier. This is the one season rebuild, but there's nothing to rebuild. Maybe. Wait. Okay. Remove the injuries. The one season rebuild. I'm gonna do a video probably after this one because it's gonna be short. You know, rebuilding. I mean, not rebuilding. Showing off what I have for now as my 2017-2018 roster that I'm using for this rebuild.
Man's never been in marquee with a shot down, eh? Trust me, daddy.
I don't get the songs in this game. Yeah. I want to see some rebuild of the Warriors 2017-2018. Kevin Durant, Nick Young, and being the star players.
Everybody on the same mission, and we don't care about your ism and schisms. Cause it's shut down. That's not me, and it's shut down. When it's shut down, it's actual week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row when the black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Way better know when it's shut down. You wanna act like a copy for the camera. You say you're Muslim, you say you're Rasta. Say you don't eat pork, don't eat liar. You're just an actor. Blood, you're not on your dean. And if Selassie I saw you, he would say, blood, take off the red, gold and green. Them man are soft just like ice cream. Scene, start moving correctly. If you don't want to upset me, you get me.
69 wins. Mark Cannon. Which LeBron is this one? Okay, modern LeBron average 21, 9, 2, and 1. Modern old school 26, 9, 6, 2, and 1.
It made me feel so intimidated, and it's just not what I expect to see on primetime TV.
I'm in a different class. When I get through, I'ma bring my dogs. 2 by 2, man, I walk on the arc. Sitting at the front just like Rosa Parks. Trust me, you don't want to see me get dark. Upset cause man, are way up right now, and it happened all so fast.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah,